horsepower. We almost died. That was awesome. Hey, I'm John Parleski. I'm from Dune and Destroy, and I'm a 36-year Glamis veteran.
I'm Dave Karbczynski. I've got Glamis Productions, Black Bag Project, and straight up off-road enthusiast.
Today we're in Glamis, California. We're out here with Hennessey Performance, and we've got the VelociRaptor 1000 and the VelociRaptor 500 Bronco. As inviting as these dunes are, they're extremely dangerous.
We're going to be showing you some tips and tricks to navigate these Glamis sand dunes safely and correctly.
You know what, Dave? I'm going to show you that you need 1,000 horsepower as I rip past you this way, out of here. All right, I'm rolling.
There's a lot of things that are assuming out here that can get you in a lot of trouble. We want to first make sure that anything that looks like a roller on one side is probably going to drop down on the other side. So we always want to come and try to come at a 45. That way you can kind of get an idea of what's coming up, and then you can navigate your way down to the other side of that dune. That's one of the most important things out here.
Perfect example of not to come up and over a roller. You want to come up, hit it at a 45, and then drop back down, just in case there is a drop off right there. Which is basically where the sand creates like a crevice. You could be rolling along just like this down the road. All of a sudden there's a huge hole and you just drop right into it, or you plow right into it. The Razorback is where the dune creates like a point. So it's like sharp on each side. So time of day out here plays a huge part in off-roading and duning. When the sun is directly above you, there's no shadows, you cannot see witch's eyes or drop-offs. I'm a little hungry. I think I could use some donuts. 3, 2, 1.
Nice job.
We almost died. That was awesome.
Miles per gallon.
We come out here for 6 months out of the year. Almost nothing stays the same. The wind changes everything. You know, it not only does it completely remove all the tracks days or weeks prior, but it will reshape different parts of the dunes. The other thing out here that's dangerous, other people. On some weekends there can be over 100,000 people in Glamis alone. Just because you know how to dune doesn't mean that you know how to fix something or get something out of the dunes when it's broken. A lot of really cool places out here. Sometimes can be very dangerous to get to them, but if you trust yourself and your vehicle and you got the experience, it can be really fun and super rewarding.
Hello. What's up?
We also started a nonprofit called the Clean Dune Project, where we do exactly that, try to clean up and make sure this place is clean and open for generations to come.
out of here. We're gonna go show you a good time. We hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. Watch out for Hennessey Performance. They're doing all kinds of things. It ain't just off-road. It's everything, man. Put your eyes on these guys. You're gonna enjoy what you see.
VelociRaptor 1000, Hennessey Performance, coming at you.
Bronco. What'd you guys learn today?
And if you don't know, I'm blowing up.
Feel it, Jimmy.
Like you thought I would. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. And if you don't know, I'm